The market is still moving downward on Euro USD, and we should expect this very move to end very soon. I'm going to let you know when that very buy opportunity coming to the market on Euro USD very soon. And another thing we need to watch right now is USDJPY. Market has been building up at this very point of important resistance, and if you look at here, even though market breaks out, what I'm expecting is after the breakout, we should see a false breakout and market will begin to move downward. That is my expectation. And also USD CAD market is going to come back down very soon from this very point of resistance. So all of this in this very video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. On the euro USD chart, if you look at this very chart right here, it is covered that the market, when it was moving all the way downward from this very point, market move upward, retracement, and then move upward, create a new high, and the market begin to come back all the way to the downside. Remember, I am on the 1 day chart, and then from this very point, market is still dropping down. So as you can see, market is coming back to the downside, and the very point market is approaching is this very point of important support. So this support is where we are looking at right now for this very move to end, and then market will begin to move all the way upward. Nevertheless, we need to prepare for a buy opportunity on euro USD, and the reason is because as market tend to approach this very level of important support, we're going to see that very significant move from the bulls from this very area to the upside, okay, for a good retracement of this very impulse that we see in the market right now. And that is what you need to pay attention to at the moment. So market is going to have retracement within this very level of important support. Remember, the market has been coming all the way downward from this very point. So sellers was going to be tired. Sellers will be taken off the market by the bulls. So the buyers are going to take control of the market from here all the way to the upside on the 1 day chart. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now. So a buy opportunity is coming on this very chart all the way to the upside very soon. And if you look at the on the 4-hour chart here, you see a very dull momentum from the bears all the way downward. So a dull momentum here means that the bulls are going to take control of the market all the way to the upside, and that is what I am looking at. So market is going to come back down a little bit on the 4-hour chart, enter this area possibly before the next move upward. So a best time to start preparing for a buy opportunity is right now within this very zone, and I'm going to let you know when you should be looking for that buy opportunity already. But now let's wait for the market to be done with this very move, enter into this very support before the market begin to have significant momentum from the bulls, and then we'll enter the market for a buy opportunity to the upside. That is what I am looking at right now on this very chart. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, market is already into the oversold condition at this very point. And then from this oversold condition, I'm expecting that the market should have a U-turn upward. And once we see a crossover between the blue line and the orange line right here, and then out of the 20% line, then it will be confirmed that this very area will be the very point that market is going to begin to move upward from. And that is what you need to pay attention to as well on this very 4-hour chart, Euro USD. And on USD JPY, I've been talking about markets coming back down, that market is going to come back down very soon, and that if you are buying from this very area to this very point, you should consider selling off and closing your position. So right now, market seems to maintain strength within this area with consolidation. Market is going to break out, but even though that breaks out happen, I am not expecting that breakout to last long. Market is going to come back down for a retracement before continuation to the upside. Market is going to move upward, but in my opinion, and from what I am seeing on this chart, market should move downward, okay, for a retracement of this entire impulsive move. Retracement is needed in the market before continuation to the upside, because market is going to move upward, in my opinion, from my technical perspective. And that is what you need to keep your eye on at the moment on this very chart. So if you look at this very area, market seems to have strong bullish momentum upward. So you can see a breakout before retracement, okay, on the 1-day chart, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now. Right now, wait for that retracement to happen. I believe that retracement is coming into the market very, very soon. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, the 4-hour chart looks very, very bullish from the bullish perspective. So if you look at it, market has been creating new highs. From here, market create new high, come back down, new high, come back down, new high. And then right now, market is about to move upward again. But one thing that we notice here is a reduced momentum from the bulls. Reduced momentum here, reduced momentum here, and reduced momentum right here. So it also means that we could see a very big spike and then a retracement all the way to the downside. And that is what I am also expecting as well on this very chart. So what you need to do right now as a trader, especially USDJPY, is to look for the market coming back downward, even though you begin to see the market move forward, because right now there is a high possibility, a high tendency of this market moving upward, but market can just come back down aggressively and then play out with sell opportunity. And that is what I am looking at right now. So on the immediate short term, on the 4-hour chart, expect this chart to move upward. As you can see, the stochastic is pointing upward. Notwithstanding that the stochastic is pointing upward on the 4-hour chart, but the 1-day chart for me is a sell opportunity, and that is what I am looking at. So even though market move upward on the 4-hour chart, I am expecting it to come back down and give that sell opportunity, as I am looking at on the 1-day chart USD JPY. This is what I am paying attention to right now on the immediate short term. And finally, on USD CAD has been moving all the way upward. You see a very clear bullish momentum right here. Retracement is needed as well before continuation all the way to the upside, and that is what I am looking at. Market is going to come back down despite the fact that we are seeing this very little move upward right now. Market is going to come back down before the market is going to move upward again on USD CAD. So pay attention to market coming back down on the 1-day chart USD CAD. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, we already see a crossover between the red line and the blue line right here, or the orange line and the blue line. Then from here, market is going to come back down, especially when we see a cross below the 80% line right here on the stochastic RSI indicator at this very point. And this is what I am personally expecting, because in as much as the market is still within the overbought condition, market can still move upward, and this very indicator is going to stay here for some time. But I want to see that crossover below the 80% line right here. Once I see that, it will be a guarantee that the market is going to have this significant retracement all the way to the downside before continuation upward. And that is what you need to keep your eye on as well on this very chart. And if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, which is showing us something very different here, is that the market is going to move upward despite the fact that we see a reduced momentum around this very area. So reduced momentum right here is very significant, because if the market begins to move upward, I am not going to take that very move very seriously. Market is going to move upward, no doubt, but I'm not going to take it seriously because it can be a fake move. Rather, I'll be looking at the market moving up and then coming back down for a good retracement and take advantage of the retracement to the downside. Or on the 1-day chart, I will wait for the retracement to fully complete before we take any buy opportunity to the upside. What I mean is, if you go back to the 1-day chart right here, if I am not going to take a counter trend position to the downside for a sell opportunity, I am going to wait for this retracement to come in, and then after retracement, then market is going to move upward. So buying from this very area will be the nice thing to do, especially when we see that very significant retracement begin to come into the market. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. But on the immediate short term, if you look at the 4-hour chart, what you should be expecting is the market moving upward, and then after that movement, market is going to come back down for a good correction. That is what I am paying attention to and keeping my eye on right now on USD CAD. This is very important for USD CAD, USDJPY, and Euro USD. As you can see right here, prepare for a buy opportunity very, very soon. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching.